Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to export frame in Camtasia. So firstly, import your media first. Now you have to drag this media to the timeline. Now you have to choose where you want to extend the file. Sorry, not extend, export the file. Like I want to export this portion. So what I'm gonna do is I have to right click from the mouse. Sorry, not right click. You can find this here, this add export frame, this camera icon. You have to click on this and you can see this portion has been exported. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.